Well, this is a short video on how to dowel elk antlers. I got a big set here that I've pretty much got ready to dowel. So basically what I do is I mark it out between the base and the skull, a bunch of lines there with a black marker. And then I go ahead and drill from underneath the skull straight up into the antler itself. It's a tough drill, but it's doable. You might go through a few batteries if you're doing cordless. I recommend a corded one. And then from there, I use 3/4 inch hollow square tubing, and that gets taped on the end. I guess I should mention first, what I do is I drill small little holes through the antler base there, right into the, right through actually. And that way it'll help keep everything from rotating or giving us any problems. So then from here, this 3/4 inch, this is a 1-inch spade bit is what I use. This slides down inside, all the way down. I've cut these off to length so they just fit in here nicely. And so this extends up into here about probably 7 inches, I think, whatever the length of a spade bit is. That's as far as, here's a 1-inch spade bit. Fits down in there. You can see all the way in there. So then from there, this 3/4 inch gets taped off with electrical tape to keep, because what I use is Bondo. I put Bondo in there, into the hole, and then I put this in and tap it in with a hammer. And this just seals the end to keep the Bondo from coming back up. So the Bondo gets put down in there, and then this gets pushed in here. When that gets pushed in, any excess Bondo gets pushed out through these tiny little bore holes that I put around here. There's probably 4 all the way around, and that helps it lock it in place so it doesn't twist, because these are quite heavy. And then from there, once this is put in place and hardened up, then I cut the antler base here off. So I usually go about a 1/2 inch below where this joins, and I cut this off with my Sawzall. And then that way, this square tubing in there lines everything up perfectly. And then I've got a solid stock piece here that fits right down inside. Here, let's see. I'm trying to do this. There, you can see that. Let me try this again. There. Come on. Anyways, you probably get the idea. That slides down inside there. So that's it. And once it's hardened up and locked in place, you've got a permanent set of well lined up antlers that can be removed, and so the mount can be moved around. This is actually going on a pedestal mount here of this elk. So that's how I do my antler pedestal and doweling. Hopefully this helps somebody out.